We are already honored to onboard brands and companies like AXA, Crédit Agricole, Unibet, Septeo, and many others. But you know, we've signed NDA by blood, like they say, so you will discover very soon more projects. And now I will present you 2 use cases which will explain you the importance of a good storytelling in a metaverse experience. So most of the time, a good storytelling is based on a true story. So tonight, I will present you a very special story with my first meeting with women in Web3. We had lunch with Sébastien Borgey, the co-founder of the Sandbox, but I don't know if it's really necessary to present him anymore. And he recommended me to get closer to Web3 communities, to Web3 projects, and especially to women. So, we were in NFT Paris exhibition. 5 minutes after lunch, I'm going to the Women in Web3 booth, and I met Adélaide, who introduced me to the whole organization. Then Anaelle, she invited me to join them, and I stopped, I don't know if you see, on these magnificent stickers placed on the table, and I finally met Dafne, the artist who made these incredible and fabulous drawings. Maybe if we'll be lucky enough, we're gonna have stickers tonight. Great, you're lucky. And Dafne explained me she's never been yet in a metaverse experience. So I saw a wonderful way to show my commitment to this community. This is the original drawings. Daphne. And it was just 1 month before the release of Love in Paris experience from the Sandbox. It's an epic journey featuring famous historical and cultural personalities such as Edith Piaf, Jules Verne, Toulouse-Lautrec. Oops. Sorry. And I wanted to show you important processes we apply in the real life, like drawings, like photography, to just before turn it into a voxel art. And in the experience, we built a wonderful park. It looks like the Jardin du Luxembourg. And I proposed to Dafne, Anaelle, and Naomie to create a wonderful exposition with the Women in Web3 drawings. So as you can see, we have a happy, very, very happy Dafne who presents her heart around the park. And here there is Anaelle's avatar who presents the whole organization. So this incredible team, in addition to the daily work, they organize events like tonight, they plan it, they do the social media every day on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Telegram. I think you can applause a little bit to this amazing woman. And now the good news is you get a new full-time job into the Sandbox experience in Love in Paris. During the experience, we have 35,000 players. They spend about 20 minutes into the game. So when you know that internet user made a research in 5 minutes maximum, and scrolling on the Instagram post or maybe a TikTok video during a few seconds, so 20 minutes is a very, very big figure. So if we summarize a little bit, you need to have a good storytelling, a big IP, a strong DNA of the brain, a good metaverse like Sandbox, and main characters, digital assets like keynote, and good game mechanics. And this is the Love in Paris experience with the very big feature of women in Web3. A second incredible woman, Ina Moja, maybe you know her. She's a committed artist, and she sang in the Love in Paris experience just near to the Moulin Rouge. You're gonna see. And she's the co-founder of Code Green, and she's also the United Nations Goodwill Ambassador, and she uses Web3 to help with many environmental causes. So tonight, we are very proud in exclusivity to present you the new experience in the Sandbox, exactly at the same time as New York now.
Our planet is in danger. We're on the brink of climate catastrophe. Enter the Healverse, a virtual realm where your actions have real-world impact. Unite with 5 legendary healers, the guardians of Earth's living systems, in this pivotal moment for our planet. Discover why the Earth is ablaze with the Golden Genie. Plunge into the depths of the ocean alongside the Blue Wizard. Join forces with the Mushroom Fairy, the Green Witch, and the Queen Bee, protectors of the Earth, biodiversity, and air. These 5 legendary healers need your help, and they need it now. Help them clean up the oceans, rescue endangered species, plant trees, and harness the power of renewable energy. You'll witness firsthand how even the smallest actions can make a difference in shaping the future of our planet. Will you rise to the challenge? The Healverse is calling you. Let's play to heal.
And the main characters get each a biome, and you have to save biome to save the planet. 5 ingredients for building your story. You need avatar, an NPC, it's a non-player character. You need the decor, you need animated objects. You need interactivity between the old objects and the launched in the Sandbox in a few weeks. After these 2 examples carried by incredible women, you understand the importance of storytelling, becomes story living, because your avatar play into the game. Your avatar is involved in a story based on gamification and immersion, and the Metaverse is the new era of the web, which transformed the 2D internet on the 3D internet. Brands and companies get new tools to tell their own story, to capture a new audience with innovative communication, and express new messages. Thank you very much for listening, and thanks to Sandbox. A special thanks to Louis, who organized all the events, Women in Web3, and Yingzi for the presentation. And long life and happy birthday to Women in Web3 community.